Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Fuel costs can take a big part of a driver's budget, especially when you use your car every day. The good news is that saving fuel does not always require buying a new vehicle or making expensive changes. Small improvements in the way you maintain and drive your car can make a noticeable difference over time. In 2027, fuel efficiency will remain important as drivers look for ways to reduce transportation costs and make every trip more economical. Whether you drive to work, take the kids to school, run errands, or travel long distances, there are simple habits that can help you use less fuel. Here are 10 practical ways to improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency. The first way to save fuel is to maintain the correct tire pressure. Your tires have a major effect on how efficiently your vehicle moves along the road. When tires are underinflated, more of the tire touches the road, creating additional rolling resistance. This makes the engine work harder and can increase fuel consumption. Check your tire pressure regularly, especially before long trips, and follow the pressure recommended by your vehicle manufacturer. Remember that tire pressure should normally be checked when the tires are cold for the most accurate reading. Properly inflated tires can also improve handling, braking, and tire life, making this a simple habit with several benefits. The second way to save fuel is to avoid unnecessary rapid acceleration. Pressing the accelerator aggressively can cause your engine to use more fuel than necessary. Instead, try to accelerate smoothly and progressively. This does not mean you have to drive extremely slowly. It simply means avoiding unnecessary bursts of acceleration when normal traffic conditions allow. Smooth acceleration can make your driving more comfortable while helping your vehicle operate more efficiently. The third tip is to maintain a steady speed whenever possible. Constantly speeding up and slowing down can waste energy. On highways and open roads, using a steady and reasonable speed can help improve fuel economy. Some vehicles are equipped with cruise control, which can help maintain a consistent speed on suitable roads. However, cruise control should only be used when traffic, weather, and road conditions are appropriate. Drivers should always remain attentive and ready to respond to changing conditions. The fourth way to save fuel is to avoid unnecessary idling. Leaving your engine running while parked uses fuel even though the car is not moving. If you are waiting somewhere for an extended period and it is safe and appropriate to turn the engine off, doing so can prevent unnecessary fuel consumption. Modern vehicles are also designed with systems that can automatically stop and restart the engine in certain situations. If your car has an automatic start-stop feature, understanding how it works can help you use the vehicle efficiently. The fifth tip is to reduce unnecessary weight. Carrying heavy objects in your vehicle can increase the amount of energy required to move the car, particularly during acceleration. Take a look inside your trunk and back seat. If you are carrying equipment, boxes, or other items that you no longer need, consider removing them. You do not need to make your vehicle completely empty, but avoiding unnecessary heavy loads can contribute to better efficiency. The sixth way to save fuel is to reduce aerodynamic resistance when driving at higher speeds. External accessories such as roof boxes, roof racks, and large carriers can increase wind resistance. If you are not using these accessories, consider removing them when practical and when doing so is safe and consistent with the manufacturer's instructions. Keeping windows closed at highway speeds may also help reduce aerodynamic drag compared with driving with several windows fully open. However, comfort and safety should always come first. The seventh tip is to keep your engine and vehicle properly maintained. Regular maintenance can help your car operate as designed. Follow the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual and pay attention to warning lights or unusual changes in performance. Dirty filters, worn components, incorrect fluid levels, or other mechanical problems can sometimes affect efficiency. Regular oil changes using the correct oil specification, when required for your vehicle, can also help keep the engine operating properly. A well-maintained vehicle is generally more reliable and can perform more efficiently than one that has been neglected. The eighth way to save fuel is to plan your trips. Combining several errands into one trip can reduce the total distance you drive. Before leaving home, think about the places you need to visit and determine whether you can complete them along one efficient route. Navigation apps can help you identify traffic conditions and possible delays, although drivers should never interact with a phone while driving unless the system can be used safely and legally. Reducing unnecessary trips can save both fuel and time. The ninth tip is to avoid aggressive driving. Frequent hard braking followed by rapid acceleration can increase fuel consumption and put additional stress on your vehicle. Instead, look farther ahead and anticipate traffic whenever possible. If you see a red light, slowing down gradually when appropriate may be more efficient than accelerating toward the light only to brake suddenly. Of course, safety is always more important than fuel economy. Never coast in an unsafe manner, and always follow traffic laws and maintain proper control of the vehicle. The 10th and final tip is to use your car's technology wisely. Many modern vehicles provide fuel economy information on the dashboard. Some systems show real-time fuel consumption, average fuel economy, driving efficiency scores, or information about energy use. Pay attention to these features and use them to understand how your driving habits affect fuel consumption. Some newer vehicles may also offer different driving modes designed to improve efficiency. Read your owner's manual to understand what these modes do and when they are appropriate. Another important factor is air conditioning. In hot weather, air conditioning can increase energy consumption, although the effect varies depending on the vehicle and driving conditions. This does not mean you should avoid using air conditioning when you need it. Instead, use it sensibly and maintain the system properly. In extremely hot weather, driver and passenger comfort and safety are more important than trying to save a small amount of fuel. A properly functioning air conditioning system can also make driving more comfortable and help you stay focused. Your driving environment also affects fuel economy. Heavy traffic, steep hills, frequent stops, strong winds, and extreme temperatures can all influence how much fuel your vehicle uses. Because of this, do not become frustrated if your fuel economy changes from one day to another. Focus on the habits you can control, such as tire pressure, maintenance, smooth acceleration, steady driving, and trip planning. It is also worth remembering that fuel-saving habits should never compromise safety. Do not drive below an appropriate speed simply to save fuel, do not coast in dangerous situations, and never ignore traffic laws. The goal is not to make every trip as slow as possible. The goal is to operate your vehicle smoothly, responsibly, and efficiently. Saving fuel in 2027 can be as simple as making better everyday choices. Check your tires, accelerate smoothly, maintain a steady speed, avoid unnecessary idling, remove excess weight, reduce aerodynamic drag, maintain your vehicle, plan your trips, drive calmly, and use your car's efficiency technology. These habits may seem small individually, but over hundreds or thousands of kilometers, they can add up. Fuel efficiency is not only about spending less money at the gas station. Using less fuel can also mean fewer unnecessary trips to refuel, more efficient vehicle operation, and better awareness of how your driving habits affect your car. You do not need to change everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 habits, make them part of your routine, and gradually add more. With consistent effort, simple changes can help you get more useful travel from every tank of fuel in 2027. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.